Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and I sincerely hope that everyone had a wonderfully relaxing holiday season, and it is now, of course, 2024. Happy New Year. However you celebrated, I trust you were safe and happy and healthy, and you know what we got to do before we start making more in 2024? We have to look back and spill all the tea and see what I did in 2023. And you know what? I went through and I counted up all of my thrift haul and tutorial videos, like the actual long length videos. And in 12 months, I created and shared 114 tutorials and style videos. Like, that is crazy. That's not including the little short videos at all or anything on my social media. That's just on my channel. So pat on my own back. Yay me. Speaking of backs, do you guys love suspenders as much as I do? I just think they're so cool, and they just make every pants or skirt kind of look a little bit more awesome. As well as, you know, hats. If you got hats, start wearing more hats in 2024. I really got to break out my collection even more. And of course, that is a video that I did in fact share. But let's spill the tea for 2023 and see exactly what I got up to, and then you can revisit some of the tutorials that were your favorites or check out the ones that you might have missed. January started off strong with some awesomely easy recipes, my refashioning 101, a few DIYs, and I even asked you guys to help me pick out an outfit to wear on my upcoming TV appearance. In February, I got pretty creative with some cookies, did some more awesome DIYs, and of course, a thrift haul as well. In March, I took some frumpy vintage clothes from drab to fab, plus I started my Troll Time series where I respond to some of the less than stellar comments that I receive in a most educational and comedic manner. In April, I did a few Gen X upcycles, and those were actually clues to the TV show that I was soon to be appearing on. Plus, I also did a bit of a deep dive and did a comparison between the prices at thrift shops versus fast fashion. In May, I had some more of my lovely staff of characters join Troll Time. Plus, I shared some absolutely awesomely easy embellishing and accessory tutorials and some scrum-diddly-icious treats too. In June, I managed to somehow create and share 12 videos, and those included some awesome 2-for-1 tutorials, a few roundup videos, a bunch of vintage dresses, and loads more. In July, I actually somehow managed to repeat my record of creating 12 videos in 1 month, and those included some awesome upsizes, thrift hauls, more refashions, and the Barbie movie was coming out that month, so of course I threw in a few thrifty DIY Barbie makes too. August was crazy hot, but I still managed to put together some awesome Troll Time videos, a few no-sew tutorials, plus some absolutely amazing sustainable style show and tell videos from my own wardrobe. September was, of course, epically awesome, and I shared more upsizing tutorials as well as loads of tips and tricks and outfits put together from my very own thrifted vintage wardrobe. But you might be thinking, that's fine, but not epically awesome. But you know what is epically awesome? It was my 50th birthday! So of course I shared a few videos about that, including the totally amazing, hilariously unique, and completely free activities I came up with to do on my birthday. In October, I actually blew my previous video record out of the water and I created 14 videos, which of course included awesome refashions and Halloween DIYs and upcycles. But best of all, I was finally able to share with you guys the show that I was on. And I was, in fact, the Gen X contestant on Battle of the Generations episode 12. And if you want to see all the behind the scenes videos and find out if I actually won, the playlist will be down below for you. In November, I started sharing some quirky and cozy refashions for you guys, as well as some prep for the holidays in the form of upcycled advent calendars, plus the top 3 reasons why I should continue to be on CTV television. And if you haven't seen that video, go watch it. Link will be down below, and share it. Share it with CTV. They're tell them why they should have me on more of their shows. And of course, December was all about nifty, thrifty holiday gifts, as well as thrifting for the holidays and refashioning and upcycling your wardrobe into absolutely fabulously festive, new to you fashion. And that's the Refashionista tea for 2023. But fear not, I shall be making more and more and more for 2024. Sorry, that was terrible. But that's what you get when you come to this channel, right? You get awesome refashions, creative thrift flips, sustainable style, vintage everything, and some terrible Refashionista Sheri puns and jokes. If you want to inject some awesome sustainable style into your 2024, might I suggest taking my Refashioning 101 eCourse? Absolutely everything is in there from start to finish. Plus, I'm giving you 50% off with the code REFASHION50. But you know what? Don't listen to my word. Here's Frau Inga to tell you all about it.
Hallo, mein Name ist Frau Ingeboerg. Und are you tired of looking in your closet and seeing nothing to wear? What about looking in your bank account and seeing nothing there either? Well, Refashionista Sheri has the solution to both of your problems. Her Refashioning 101 eCourse shows you exactly from start to finish how to upcycle and refashion your wardrobe, and then in the very final lesson she is showing you how to take all of the skills you learned and start your own eco fashion business online, selling the items that you don't want anymore and the items that you create yourself. Go to Refashioning 101, enroll in the course, and start your eco fashion journey today.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.